Hey guys, good morning. It's Joanne. Welcome back. So today is just a small Temu haul, and I'm just looking at the bag. Look, it says small, so I guess it truly is a small Temu haul. So let's just get started, and I will show you what I got. All right, so we have these fabric bags. I'm not sure exactly what they're made out of. They feel almost like a velour of sorts, but I got these to I'm going to personalize the front, and then we're going to use these in the cars for like a little first aid, you know, things that when you're in the car, you're like, oh, do I have a Band-Aid? No, you don't have a Band-Aid. Do I have one of them dental flossy things? Oh, darn, I left them all at home. Do I have, I don't know, a pen? Do I have a pen in my car? No, I don't have a pen in the car. So I'm just thinking, you know, different things. I'm not exactly sure what to put in these, but just, you know, maybe a couple salt and pepper packets or, you know, things like that, that you just put in the car. So I figured I was going to make one for hubby and one for each of the kids. I did get 3. I didn't get 4 to make myself one. So that's these. They're a decent size. Okay, we have our ruler here. I want to get a nice fun ruler, right? So they look like they're about 6 inches by 6 inches. And then what I like about these, and I did not realize when I got them, that the inside has these little separation pouches. So it'll be easy to store things. So I will come back on when I'm doing this. This would be like a heat transfer vinyl that we'll put on here and, you know, see how everybody likes them. If you have any ideas of what else I could put in them, please leave in the comments down below. All right, next are these 2 bags. I was thinking the same type of thing, just kind of personalize them and then add a couple of things. I don't know, maybe these would be good for like your earbuds, you know, an extra phone charger, something like that in the car as well, or even just for traveling, or, you know, to keep in a drawer in the kitchen so you have all your stuff together. So these are just like a clear vinyl. They are about 4 inches by 2.5. They come with this cute hanger though. I like that. How does that open? Oh, it pushes in like that, right? And then it has this, which goes like this, I'm gonna think. Is that like a lobster claw? Is that what that's considered? Bloop. So I got 2 of those. I don't know where I was with my number count on these things, but that's okay. That's that. I also got these, they're like rubbery, they're in the bead section. They're just some crosses that I was thinking of putting on some pens, like the beaded pens. They're really cute, so I was thinking maybe something like that for church, or, you know, a church craft fair, something like that. So I have those. And then I also, okay, yeah, just this one other thing. So I got these. I don't know if you can see them real well, but these are like little cheat codes for Windows, Word, Excel, right? So I'm thinking I could slap these right on my laptop, or, you know, or my desk, or somewhere where I can keep them, and it'll tell me like all the hotkeys to hit to do certain things. This was like 97 cents, I think. All right, guys, and this is the last thing. I'm actually pretty excited about this one. It's a personalized stamp, and this was like, I'm gonna say $6.70 something cents. And I'm gonna try and put the link in the description because I think it's a pretty good price, and I also think that, you know, they did a pretty good job. So it comes like this in a, you know, just a bag like that. And then it also comes with an extra ink, which we're not really sure how to fill yet, but there is a opening here that I'm thinking maybe this would pull out and the ink would go in there, but I don't really want to mess with it yet, so I don't want ink all over the place. So it opens up. How does it open? Okay, so it just pulls off. So here's where all your ink is. Yeah, I'm not sure how it inks really, but let's go ahead and stamp it. All right, well, let's stamp it again because that one was kind of sitting in the ink. Or maybe we're supposed to put the ink in here and then you use it like a, oh, that's probably what we're supposed to do. But I don't know, there's a thing here. I want to open that to see what is in here. But anyway, all right, let's do one more. Maybe I'm giving it too much pressure, not enough pressure. Okay, so it is really cute. It just says made with love, and then it says at Backyardfarmercrafts on the bottom. The only part here, you're seeing some extra ink in there, and I think it's just because of the way it was sitting in here. If you can see like the ink, I know you guys are not able to see anything I hold up when it comes to this black. But I do want to, all right, so I definitely think this is worth the buy, guys. Once we figure out how to do the ink thing, maybe it shouldn't sit in here. Maybe I could just use a stamper. But I don't want to do that just yet. All right, so let me see if I pull this off. Okay, so yeah, see that opens. Can you see? I wish you could see. There we go. So that opens, and I'm thinking you put more ink in there to reload it. And then somehow the ink is in here. Oh, but look, it's also, it's kind of cockeyed. So oh, maybe I did that. Oh, maybe that's why it's not stamping correctly. Oh, now I got ink all over the place. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's just try by wiping this whole thing off. Right, whole thing. So there's no excess ink on it. Now let's try to stamp it and see what happens. Oh, perfect. See, the ink is somehow, it's somehow in there, guys. So see, it says made with love at Happy Mail. Oh no, sorry, at Backyardfarmercrafts. But yeah, it comes out. These are actually Temu Post-it notes too. Okay. Okay. You guys see that commercial for the new Google commercial? For the Gemini. Okay. So yeah, we like this. I think what we do is we ink it in here and then somehow it inks through. But what I am also going to do, I'm going to wipe this out because this had some extra, see? And I think that's what was getting on the things before. And I think that's because this was not in securely enough. All right, so, you know, as with anything, once you figure out how to use it, but I am definitely impressed. It has this cute little crystal handle there, and that, oh, is how we're gonna, okay. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to go decorate these bags and show you more. I will see you in the next video.